Hey guys, how's it going? How to make a YouTube thumbnail design in Canva. So go ahead to your browser and then just type a YouTube thumbnail design Canva. Okay, you're gonna be able to go to the official website, and you're gonna see many templates that you can use in order to create your own YouTube thumbnail. So you can go ahead right here, and as you can see, you're gonna be able to create your own thumbnail. Some of that only for the pro version or upgraded version, and some of it for free. So in my case, I'm gonna use this for example. I'm gonna click this design, and I'm gonna be able to design my own or change my own to my own thumbnail. So I'm gonna, let's have an example, delete that person and add someone else by clicking uploads right here, and use your camera. Let's have an example, add this person, this guy, right, and extend this photo. This is an example, of course, so you don't have to do like me to be exact, but you can do something related. If you want to edit the text, you can just go ahead and use the AI, for example, to continue writing, shorten, more fun, more formal, and you can leverage that AI. In my case, I can change the color, right, to be red, pink, or if I want to change it to something that fit my YouTube title, I can just go ahead and type, for example, how to become a gardener, right? This is an example, of course, but you can apply those to your niche. Okay, and you can also see if you click the whole or the background picture, you can just change the color. If you want it to be blue, black, or even red, you can do that on your own time. Okay, and if you like what you see, and after you finish your design, you can hit the upload kind of thing icon at the top right, and then hit download right here, and use the file type. If you want it to be GBG or PDF format, you can do that, and then hit download, and you're gonna be able to download on your device. And of course, not to mention that you can add element, right? You can go ahead and click, let's say, the text, right? You can add your own effects or animate it if you want to. You can add effects right here to make it more clear, or you can use the element right here if you swiped right, and you're gonna be able to add your own element like background or music, whatever it might be, if you want to turn it into a video. So you're gonna be able to add your own elements like an arrow, for example, and you can add the arrow right here and make it point to the exact, let's say, title, right? And basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.